So good morning, everyone. Of course, the timing that I've told was informed was 8 o'clock. But however, if I wanted to start at 8 o'clock sharp, I could have started. Meeting started at 8 o'clock on. But the session I'm starting probably 5-10 minutes late or probably 15 minutes late. The reason is today being first day, and there is one more reason. Some of you are coming offline. It may take some time. And for some of them, joining first day as for programming class would be difficult. What exactly I'm trying to say is only for today it will happen. Okay. And today there are some of you who are new to this class, means attending this class as first day. So what exactly first day means? Means you are attending programming class for the first time. See, there is definitely lot of difference between normal Java class and programming class. In some institutions or some people in the market, what exactly they does? They will include programming also in Java. If they're including programming also in Java, what will happen? Any idea? We will not do that, and we will be having separate programming classes. Any idea what is the reason? Guys, I'm trying to put all of you on mute for some time. Please try to cooperate. Okay. So I just wanted to ask all of you, what exactly do you mean by programming? Any idea? For all of you. Before I start that part also, there is one more thing that I just want to address. There are some of you who have already attended programming, yes? Not from here, from online at least. Yes? But again, programming classes will continue for you guys. If you are interested, you can attend. Sir, I don't know programming. I want to improve it. Of course, I have attended, but I have not got the complete idea or I didn't understand it completely. If that is the case, you can continue to attend. Okay. Some of you are saying, sir, build our instance, whatever it is. In simple words, if I have to keep, what do you mean by programming? If you ask me, in your interview, if you are going through interview process or to get your job, you have to go through your interview process. Yes. Yes. So while you are undergoing this interview process, there is one of the round wherein you have to do the coding. Again, what type of question they will give? Have you guys encountered any questions Again, I was trying to say that there are some of you who have attended data structure as well, those who are attending. But I just want to tell you again with respect to programming. Recently, I have seen one question. What is that? Simple thing I just have to give you as an example is 1 plus 1, 2, star 2, 4 plus 3, 7, star 4. It continues. Okay. Can you write a program in a stretch? I mean, in one go, can you write a program for this? It looks simple. It looks simple. Not only this, if I have to tell one more, they will give you one array. Okay. They will give you one array wherein, there might be elements 10, 45, 20, 25, 30. Now we have to find which is the largest one and smallest one. Which is the largest one and smallest one?
40. 40 is the largest and smallest.
Difference among this. One such example, simple to simplest one I'm saying here. Okay. There are some more questions which are a bit complicated as well, but I'm not taking that part here. Now, some of you will say, if I give, one of the question that is reverse the string, all of you will say, sir, I know that's a string reverse method I will use. Amazing. Do you think companies will expect you to write inbuilt methods? You should write your custom logic. And that too, there will be something like, if you are writing any program or coding question in your HackerRank or HackerEarth platform, you would have got that level of questions only. Yes. Whenever you are writing any program on HackerRank or HackerEarth, if you write, okay, a program for particular input and particular output, that is, whatever given input is there, only for that my program will work, sir. If you write like that, your test case will not pass. What is the expectation? Any idea? Here, I may give any inputs. I may give 10 only, 40 only, 5 only, anything. See, the same program, you can write it in two ways. One is writing a program wherein for any inputs, it will find one largest, it will find one smallest, and it will find the difference. What is the other one? System.out.println 40 minus 5. That also will print the exact output, no doubt. But if I don't give 40, if I don't give 5, then will your program work? There will be n number of test cases wherein all the inputs and outputs it will check. Various inputs. It may give negative value. If negative value is given also, it should generate the proper output. And if that kind of inputs are given, some of you struggle to clear that because you will try to by heart programming as well. I just want to ask how many of you have that coding ground fear? Or sir, my programming logic or logical thinking is weak. Others are strong. Okay. Most of you are saying that you have that issues. However, again, the way I promised you in data structure, some of you have already left data structure classroom and I hardly bother because say what exactly we can do, we can guide you. Do this, it will help you. Can I make you to attend that? 100% no. Attending is your part. And without you getting bored, making you understand the session will be my responsibility. Online, am I audible? Okay. I just want to ask all those who have attended, programming sessions. I just wanted to ask, have you understood before or not? To what level you have understood? Yes. Online. You can unmuting option. I think I have disabled. Please write it in chat box. And again, there are some of you who are from FS20 batch, right? There might be some of you who are from FS20 batch who have joined programming session or who are willing to continue in programming session. But I just want to let all of you to know one thing, all of you, those who are attending, those who have attended, those who are attending today as first class, for all of you, I just want to inform one thing. What is that one thing? If you have not attended one session also before, if today is your first day, no worries, still you can cope up with that. Getting it? Online? Again, I'm repeating, there are some of you who are having that fear factor. Leave it. For all of you, I just want to say one thing, that is, because even if I have done few things in data structure as well, because I am the one who is taking data structure, right? For some of you, you are not attending data structure. So if I'm taking programming classes, I'm promising you that again, I'll start from scratch, whatever is required. Okay. If I say one program you have to write, in that again, ultimately, if you want to print something, for FS20, I'm asking those who are from FS20, if you want to print something, which is the statement that you will use in Java? Thank God, Java trainer got saved. All of you know how to print something in Java, so Java trainer is safe now. Lipika, I'll not take up OOPS concept. Programming basically means arrays, strings, or without using array strings, in some cases, you can also make use of collections concept. Sir, collections is not done only, sir. Am I expecting you that you should know collections now? One more simple example I'll give you. Those who say that I have that knowledge, you can try. That is, if I say, any issues? Should I ask separately? Any issues? No? Fine. Here, if I write a program like, if I write any string like this, my expectation is, or forget this much also. Okay, fine. I'll consider this much. What exactly is my expectation is, you should print what exactly does it mean, sir? M is repeated one time, Y one time, N. 1, 2, 3, A. 1, 2, M. 1, E. Where is M 2 times? Capital M. There is a difference, E. 3, I. If I consider only one, yes. Only one, V. You should print this. Can you write a logic for this? It looks very simple, but it is not as simple as you think. It looks simple, sir. Simple things, sir. I can write it. Say, whatever program you know, I will tell you that also. If I give any string like this, those who are new for today's class, again, I'm repeating, I'm not explaining anything here with respect to program. I'm just explaining the scenario. Getting it? You yourself, if you think like a programmer and if you start thinking about program for this, it is not my issue. Again, I'm explaining only scenario. Taken one scenario and explaining that. Okay. What you guys know, in this string, if I ask you to check how many times E is repeated, you can write a logic and you can say 3 times. If I ask you how many times A is repeated, you can write a logic to print 2 times. But can you write a logic in such a way, each and every character count it will print? As of now, if I ask you most of your answers, you will think you know this, but you don't know this. Sir, how to know this, sir? Have patience. As I've already told, very first day, I'll directly not start with the technical content. Before that, all of you should align towards one particular direction. So I'm just giving you an idea why programming is important. Without programming, can you tell that you are a good Java developer or tester, whosoever it is? Can you tell that? 100% no. Being a developer, you should know definitely programming. Being a tester, if you have this knowledge also, then it will be an added advantage. Okay. For that matter, those who are from recent batches, again, I'm saying whatever I will explain, definitely I'll make sure that I'm starting from scratch. And again, one more thing I just want to confirm, those who are in Bangalore, those who are willing to come offline can come from tomorrow. Just block your, timing from what time to what time? Sorry? 8 till how much? For some batches, not for everyone. The reason is 8 o'clock to 9:30. I'll try to take programming, and 9:30 to 11. I'll try to take data structure. Sir, it should not happen, sir. We don't want to attend your classes. No issues. Don't attend. Anyways, I'm not forcing you to attend here. But again, as I've already told, those who are new to this sessions or those who are already attending Java sessions from other trainer, you will be expecting that trainer here. But fortunately or unfortunately, it will not happen. You are supposed to attend my class only for these two technologies at least. Okay. And if you are expecting the other trainers, please let me know. But nothing will change. You can let me know, but nothing will change. That also I'll inform you. Okay. And again, one thing I'm promising you, if you are at 0, fine. Again, if you ask me what is the prerequisite to improve your programming, one time you attend. Some of you would have already watched my programming sessions as well. Yes. Is there anyone who have already attended my programming session? Yes, no. I mean, those who have attended, for them, I'm asking. Recent batches you would have not attended because recent batches I have not taken on. Okay. Old batches I'm asking. There are some of you who are from old batches, for them especially. So again, I'm informing, at least most of you are attending data structure classes. Yes. Are you guys understanding data structure or not? Again, question applies only for those guys who are attending and listening. Okay. If you are not attending session only, and if you say that, no, I'm not understanding, should I listen to you? Anyways, I'll not listen. So as I've already told, for first day, I'll not, take much of your time. But one thing I just want to inform from your side. Okay. What is the prerequisite that you need to understand programming? Any idea? For all of you, what is the question if you ask me? If you want to understand programming or if you want to improve your logical thinking, because you would have seen some of your friends are very good at coding. Yes. Or when I say here, you want to improve your logical thinking or coding, all of you want bright future in IT sector. Yes. You don't want to depend on anyone. You want to improve yourself, right? If you want to do that, what is the prerequisite to learn coding? Any idea? Fine. Which anyways you guys are doing, your friend is saying that it is practice. Great answer. Anyways, you guys are doing it, waking up early morning, 5 o'clock. You guys are doing it. I don't want to take that part. Apart from that, I can see all your smiling faces, what exactly it says. You also know. Okay. Apart from that, what exactly is required? Any idea? What is the prerequisite to understand? Sorry? Knowing the concept, fine. Attending my class, smart answer. Again, what I'm trying to say here is to understand coding. Okay, what you need is one criteria, that is you should understand English language, what I'm speaking. Are you guys able to understand this much? Yes. Yes. If you are, is there anyone who is feeling that I'm trying to speak some hi-fi English or foreign accent or something? Not really, I guess. So I'm mentioning again, if you are able to understand what I'm speaking, you will understand coding. That will be my responsibility. But the thing is, from today, I'll not be starting it. Technical part, I'll not start from today. The reason is yesterday night we have decided and today I have posted. I mean, yesterday night we have posted, because of which some of them would have missed. So that is the reason. Technical part I'll not be starting from today. Okay. But however, with respect to coding, with respect to, programming, if you ask me what exactly you should know, again, just go through basics of data structure also. For loop have I used in data structure? Yes. Now FS 19 or 20 guys will start saying that, sir, data structure is not scheduled for us. It is not being done. Java is being done for all of you. Where exactly have you used your first for loop in Java? Every day you are using, I mean, every day you guys are revising, right? Where exactly we have used first for loop in Java? Arrays. One-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and three-dimensional array. I think there for loop was used. Okay. If you know for loop, revise it once more. Okay. And please try to come back tomorrow. Again, I'm saying, I believe it is the I time for all of you. Yes, it is not alphabet I, H-I-G-H, high. High time for all of you, I believe. Yes, you have so much time to get a job. Or for all of you. How much time you have? 6 months? 6 months time do you really have? No? 2 months? 2 months you can keep it as a target, but it should not be like 2 months I'll keep just listening to class. After 2 months, I'll start doing the things. Very early. Sorry. Okay. Here. I am here. I am here. They will say, no worries. Okay. So again, I'm informing you, it is the high time. See, sir, morning 8 to 10, one class is there. I mean, 8 to 9:30 and 9:30 to 11, one more class is there. How can we manage? Is it really difficult for you to manage or difficult for me to manage? You should tell me. You should anyway sit and attend. Anything apart from that? I am the one who should speak for continuous 3 hours. Max to max, what you will say? Some of you will say, sir, we should listen also, we should answer also. What you will answer? In my session, max to max, what you will answer? Either yes or no. For that also with lot of difficulty. Apart from that, logic you will tell. From here to there to here. Max to max. Apart from that, any essay writing or some speech you will take? Hardly it takes up to 5 seconds to answer one question. Okay. So it should not be difficult for any one of you to attend morning at 8 o'clock. So it is such a good time where we will get very good sleep, such a climate, but you should come. When I am coming, what is the issue for you to come? Okay. So don't worry, it is a promise. Again, I'm saying you, if you don't know anything, forget it. Okay. Even if you are at level 0, some of them, those who have attended my classes before, you will know that. So just attend the session and I'll ensure you are aware of it. Whatever is required. Okay. Whatever programming. See, most of the time, whenever there is some coding question, what will happen is I will attend their test. Okay. Better than that, I will teach you guys only, you only attend yours. And you will be able to clear. Leave that on me. Okay. When I am taking some interview, students interview, and I am able to clear the same question, why can't you? Same knowledge is what is required, right? For all of you. That knowledge, you will get it from this class. Okay. So as I've already told, before I proceed ahead and before I start with the technical content for today, I'll not be taking it. I just want to ask, anyone facing any issues with any of the classes? Previous batches? And again, some of you don't even know me, and this is my name. Okay. And which all technologies I am taking as of now, if you ask me, fortunately or unfortunately, I'll be taking 2 technologies for all of you. That is, one is data structure, the other one is programming as of now. Okay. If time permits, I may come in Java as well. However, Don't worry, I'll not come. I can see that those reactions. Sorry. Will be taken DS for us again, sir. So for those people who have not attended, who are not able to attend data structure, you guys will get it probably from next batch. Okay. Or no, sir, I am already aware of concept of data structure up to single linked list. Then you can continue attending from tomorrow itself. Always welcome. Huh? Thank you so much. So again, is that clear for all of you? For today, I'll be winding it up here because of time that we have informed. We informed that today we'll be starting at 8 o'clock, but data structure we are supposed to start from what time? 9, according to what we have informed. Considering data structure class, some of you will plan to attend. Okay, so it should not clash. For that reason, today I just wanted to know and just I wanted to ensure that all of you are aligned in same direction. Okay, whether you will attend tomorrow or not, I'm not sure, but all those who have fear factor with respect to programming, you attend, it will be my responsibility, I can tell you, or my promise it is, you will not have it going ahead. Okay, so normally when you will get confidence? By hearting theoretical part? Theoretical part, what you will do? By heart only you will do, right? No, really. So can I take up some mock interview now? Anyways, you guys are not by hearting, right? So don't come to any conclusion that I don't know Java. Okay, I have handled Java as well as SQL, programming, data structure before also. Okay, and some of you know me, some of you don't know, that's totally fine. As I've already told, if you guys are really confident that no, sir, we will understand and we will work out theory part. You also know what you are doing, I also know. So I don't want to take that part, but I'm just informing you when your confidence will improve. If you ask me, not definitely by hearting the theoretical part. When it will improve? More than theoretical part, when you execute one program by yourself. I have given this program. If you try to get the output by yourself, definitely your confidence will improve. Assume that, just try to imagine now you are in a position where you wrote the program and you got the output. Imagine, as of now you are not in a condition, but imagine that you got the output for this. Don't you think your confidence will be different compared to now? Now some of you will be like, I don't know coding. You attend my interview. You help me clear that. Some of you so smartly, you'll try to use your mobile, incognito tab, proxy, that, this, so much, Is it really required? Fine, interview somehow you will clear. Technical also you'll clear, you will get a job. In job, what will happen? Will you be able to survive? Not really. Okay. So I'm informing all of you, please ensure that do attend. It is request from my side. One time, try to attend and check. Okay. I don't think, more than getting job, your sleep is important. Is it really important? But most of you will drop out just because you want to sleep. I have seen many of them. Don't come into that line. It is a request because later you'll struggle a lot. Better than that, struggle now, at least your future will be safe. I'm not saying that you need not struggle later. Okay, if any of your friends or anyone from your senior batches, if they're already in IT, just ask them. Later, it does not mean that you need not struggle. Later, the struggle will increase. At least you will have a knowledge what you should search from where you should copy paste. Because what you will do, you know how to copy paste. In internet, if you search binary search program, binary search, I think in data structure, it's done, right? So if in coding round, already they will give some part of code. You need not use some part of the code. I mean, I'm just trying to say complete program you need not write. Only some method you have to fill. Okay. So when you are supposed to fill only some part of method, what you will do? You will go to internet, open one more tab, or in mobile, what you will search? Binary search program. Very good. In Java. Okay, you will get such a lengthier program. What you will do? as it is, copy paste, or you will type it with lot of struggle. Okay. After typing, when you try to execute, all the test cases will fail. All the test cases, not one, all the test cases will fail. Sir, program as it is, I have written, sir, still it is getting failed. Why it is getting failed? Because you yourself, you're copy pasting the complete program, but they are not expecting complete program. That is what I'm trying to say. Having a knowledge of copy pasting is not sufficient. From where you should copy, where you should paste, how much you should copy, how much you should paste also you should know. But what you will do without having that directly, you will simply copy paste it. Okay. However, keeping all that aside, tomorrow I'll be starting with, again, however, the same concept, some of you, those who have already attended, you will be knowing that. I'll be starting with pattern programs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't know anything, of course, if you want to use star, use it. If you want to use hash, use it. If you want to use dollar, use it. Whichever you want to use, you can use. But the thing is, in your interview, sometimes they will give you an output expecting that you should display like this. Okay, like this, you should print here as well as here also. Probably, here it would be 2, 1. Some of you, by looking at this, you'll get scared. Some of you. Okay, I'm not saying for everyone, for some of you. But is it really that difficult? Just to give you an idea, for all of you, just to give you an idea. Okay, just imagine this like directly for loop. Forget for loop. I'm not speaking about for loop. I'm not at all taking any technical part. Just to check your logical thinking ability, what I'm asking you is, if I give you like this, don't think as if how to print this program pattern, leave it. Leave it. I'm asking you one simple question. What you should think is, assume that this is bench number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many benches are there? 6 benches are there. Okay. What you should print, you should check. Don't think about logic. Just understand the scenario. Because if you understand the logic, what you should do, it will be easier. Number and space, that is true. But here, what you should do, whatever is the bench number, same you should print. Yes. Here, what is the bench number? Here. 2. Same number I have printed. Here, what is the bench number? Same number I should print. Same number. Sir, but here also there is twist. No, in different positions I should print. Of course, in different positions, for that also definitely there will be some logic. Okay. How to deal with that logic? Some of you, what you will do, you will try to print it as a whole. Don't do it. Don't do it. Then how to do it, sir? Divide it. How can I divide? How can I divide? Sorry. Just try to consider this as 1. Okay, like this. This much you can consider. Yes. In this square, only in diagonal position, you should print the row numbers. Again, here also. Okay. In square, you just have to print row numbers in a diagonal format. How to print it in diagonal format? That in today's class, I cannot teach you, because for that, some of the programming classes should be done. Later, it is my promise that how to print it diagonally, okay, how to print it horizontally, one beside the other, vertically, one below the other, all these things you will be aware of. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea what kind of questions can be asked. This feels complicated as of now, but it is not complicated. Okay, and again, programming is not something like, we should write program without even checking in one go. Will it happen? Which means you have by hearted the program. Straight away answer. Should you by heart it? Not necessary. Okay, you just have to understand it. Online, is that clear? Mirror flip. Terminology is good, but it is not easy to implement. Okay, for today, as we have informed, DS class from 9 o'clock only. All of you just ensure that you guys are joining. Take 10 minutes break if you want, but 9, 10, all of you should be here. Fine? Online, fine? For previous batches only. From tomorrow, 8 o'clock to 9:30, there will be programming class, and from 9:30 to 11, data structure class. Fine? Try to attend offline maximum. Those who are not able to attend, try to attend online. Okay? For today, I'll just wind it up. Any other issues, guys? Again, I'm asking. No? Great then. We'll meet you all tomorrow. Thank you.